So in this video, I'm going to show you how to encrypt and protect your PDF files completely for free. So we're going to do that using a very free tool called Sejda PDF. It's a very wonderful editor that you can access by just coming to sejda.com and then go to all tools in here. We're able to see different kind of features that you can use this particular tool. So our target is to lock or protect our PDF document. So you have the option to use the desktop version. Also, if you're interested, you can download it in here and use it for any of your tasks that you have for PDF. So assuming I have downloaded mine and I have installed it, so let me just go ahead and check it in here and just open it directly. Mind you, most of the features that you can do, you can equally do them online as well. So let's say protect a PDF document. So I'm going to select the file and you can drag and drop it also if you're interested. So as when I have this sample letter, I just open it. So all you need is to just define the password. So once you have the password, you can say encrypt PDF and you can now save it out as an encrypted PDF document. So it's now processing. With just that simple act, we can see your PDF is now locked. If you want to open it, you have to put in those same password and take Google 5, and then I can see right now my document is going opened. Now this is locking, and if you want to unlock the particular PDF, you can do the same thing, but just in the reverse direction. So let's say we go back to Sejda and then we can open it directly, or of course go ahead and check in all tools. We can now say unlock a particular PDF. That means removing the password. So you can choose the file. As when you have encrypted document here, you can see it locked, so you can open, and then it is going to require you to put password for encrypted edit later. So let's go ahead and just say continue. Provide the current document owner password to enable all permissions. So once you open, you can just click 1 2 3 4 5, which is the password, and once you do on enter, it is going to open. So this basically does it on how to protect a PDF document with a password using the Sejda PDF. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.